Hey legends, so we have this back. I didn't film pulling it down, but I do have some pictures which I'll put up. But it has been resprayed and not quite the factory black. But we do have all the stuff to put back on this thing. But I will probably time lapse that, putting it back on, showing some parts. But this is going to look good. So I've got the parts laid out, got some more stuff up there, got tools in here, and we're ready to put this back on. So I'll probably get a time lapse ready to show doing the front, because obviously you won't want to see it all, otherwise it'll take a long time. But I'll bring you along and you'll be able to see the finished product. I reckon it's going to look good. Oh yeah. So me and mate flew up to Darwin to buy this really good. Look at this thing. The weapon and all its fury. New weapon. So we're going to be having a 4,000 kilometer journey home. Alright, we're going to start with the headlights, I reckon, and then the grille, and then we'll move on to the front bar, making our way around to the back of the car. So we'll give that a crack, eh? Let's do it, have some fun. Cut the bar. Alright, we've got all these fiddly bolts in. Now what we're going to do is nip them all up and then get all the adjustments right with here and the spacing right so it doesn't hit the headlight where it used to right here. They can be hooked up later, and also the grill is up in here, so but it is off a series 4 but this is a series 1, but I was told they're all the same, so all the parking sensors and everything fit in, so we'll adjust all this correctly anyway, see how we go. Alright, we'll tune back in. Alright, so I am going to need to get that sun out of there. Wait till a mate comes around to adjust that properly, because when I pull that side out, this side goes in, then the adjustment seems really hard. So how about we do an easy one? Quick, easy, maybe. Guard flip. It's going to be easy. Easy. I think I'm going to have to change the colour of those, redo them. Maybe in like a, wait for that to change to satin black or something. But we're going to move on to the next thing, is these here. They're for the rear bar to clip on. So we'll probably do that. I won't be able to do that. We can put the rear spoiler on and the rear tail lights in. It's going to kind of look like a car, and I may as well put the side steps on, which is pretty easy. So it's going to start looking like a car very soon. Exciting. Going back on the rear bar. Might have to take the bolts out first. Oh, look at that, we're almost looking like a car again. Not bad. We've just got the rear spoiler put in, and then side steps, rear bar. It's going to be the next challenging bit. Might have to wait till tomorrow. Maybe I can get the wife big muscles. Yeah, and then door handles, trims around the window. So much to do. Alright, you legends, so ended up working on it through the night and I couldn't film at night, but it is probably 90% together now. Just got to wait on my jerry can and spare wheel holder. We're still got to get painted a little bit, but look at it. There's like black, and then I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, and it goes like a nice candy kind of colour. It's really awesome. But how good does that look? You can probably see there. Wow. How good is this? I had to, I've got to get a couple of new trims. These are not staying in. That's alright, they're pretty old. So, water reflection. I don't think it's ever going to be this clean again. It's probably good while it lasts. But I will put the drone up and get some footage. But other than that, the roof was the worst part. The roof was really no good. I will also put up pictures of how it used to look. But my gosh, this candy, I really hope you guys can see that. It just looks unreal. I'll whack the drone up and get some footage. Yeah, I hope that you guys like this, and something a little bit different, I suppose. Still working on cars, but I do have a couple other little things coming for the channel as well, which should be a lot of fun for me and also some mates. But yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to that channel. Cheers, catches.